Second shell invert, Chani, spread the feathers. After you bow, hop over onto the left foot, circle in, double hit. Onto the right, circle in, double hit. To the right again, to the left. Left leg sweeps back to horse stance. Call out, clear, hold the bow, kick, block, chop twice. Hold the bow, kick, block, chop. Cross in front, block low, jump back, circle the arms, hit low, clear, raise the left leg, spring forward, Sanya stance, bow stance, double punch to right bow. Cross in front, block low, chop the throat, call, cross in front, block low, turn, hold the bow, kick, block, chop, turn and clear, step to right bow, spread the feathers, twist the wrist,